How to save items to wishlist in Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, use the search bar or browse categories to find the products you want to save. When you find a product you like, click on it to view the details. On the product page, look for the wishlist or heart icon and click on it to save the item. This will add the product to your wishlist so you can access it later without searching again. You can access your wishlist anytime by clicking on the favorite section. From there, you can review saved item, compare product or add them to your cart for purchase. Saving items to your wishlist helps you organize your shoppings and keeps track of products you are interested in. Now you know how to save items to wishlist in Uzum Market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.